Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about solving problems involving confidence interval of a population proportion P. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and click the bell button for more updates. Understanding confidence interval estimate for the population mean. We will use the following confidence level. The 90% is equal to positive negative 1.645. 95% confidence level is equal to positive negative 1.960. And 99% is equal to positive negative 2.575. Pwede niyong balikan ito kapag nag-a-answer na tayo sa ating mga problems. Alright, to compute for the standard deviation of a p hat, we have this formula, square root of pq over n, where you will get q by subtracting 1 minus the p or the p hat. For the margin of error, z or e, for the confidence interval of a population mean, we have e equals, this is just simply z. So kahit hindi mo na isusulat to. Okay? Simply z square root of pq over n. So this one is the standard deviation. Okay? But when you multiply this to z, that will be the margin of error. Ito yung standard deviation. Okay? Tapos kapag minultiply mo to sa z, yun na yung margin of error. Also, to get the interval, simple lang to. Gawin natin mas simple. P minus E 2 P plus E. That is the interval estimate, okay, of a population proportion. As simple as that. Okay? E is the margin of error and P is the P hat or the proportion. Wherein the proportion has a formula x over n. Okay? Now, let's have this example. In a job satisfaction survey in a certain mall, 700 employees were asked if they were satisfied with their jobs. There were 518 who responded with a yes. Use the 95% confidence interval to estimate the proportion of those who were satisfied with their job. So first, write the given. The given are Z is 95% or 1.960, N is equal to 700, P hat is equal to 0.74 or 74%, and Q is equal to 0.26 or 26%. Maybe some of you are asking, where did I get 0.74? Alright, let's go back with the problem. There were 518 who said yes. Okay? In our previous lesson, previous video, I already discussed how to get the proportion P. But here I will again discuss it for you. So we have P equals a formula x over n. Okay, so x is the favorable response and n is the total number of population. The favorable response is 518, right? That is the x. There were 518 who said they are satisfied with their job. So 518 divide to 700. Try it on your calculator and you will get 0.74 or 74%. For the Q, you will get Q because it has a formula which is equal to 1 minus P. Your answer is 0.74, so just subtract from 1. So we have 1 minus 0.74 and you will get 0.26. Now our given are complete. We can now proceed to our solution. We have Z quantity square root of PQ over N. This is the standard deviation. When you multiply to Z, that will become the margin of error. Okay. Now, the PQ is 0.74 and 0.26 multiply and divide by N, right? So, this is our given as substituted to our formula. Okay, multiply 0.74 and 0.26. Click equals. Okay, did you do it on your calculator? And then divide your answer to 700, which is the total number of respondents. And then from your answer, click square root and click equals. And from that, multiply your answer to 1.960 and you will get 0.0325 as your final answer for the margin of error. Now, for the lower limit, we have p hat minus e as our formula. So we have 0.74 minus 0.0325. The answer is 0.7075. For the upper limit, p hat plus e equals 0.74 plus 0.0325 equals 0.7725. And for the interval, you will get this lower limit first and turn it into a percentage form. So we have 70.75% to 77.25%. Meaning to say, the proportion is greater than 70.75% but less than 77.25%. Another problem. In a survey of 300 individuals, 128 like to watch movies on a big screen. Use 95% confidence interval to estimate the proportion of those who like to watch movies on the big screen. So again, we have this proportion that we've got in our previous lesson. So we have 0.4267. Paano nakuha yan? To get this, just divide 128 and 300 and you will get 0.267. And those who don't like to watch movie, that is 0.5733. Just subtract 1 minus 0.4267 and you will get 0.5733. Alright, now we have the total number of n, which is 300, right? We have a total of 300, and our z, if I'm mistaken, is 95%. Right? Tama ba? 95%? Yeah, 95%. So if it is 95%, that is positive negative 1.960. So we have 1.960. If we will put it in our formula, that is the margin of error, that is equal to 1.960, which is our z, multiplied to the square root of, that's PQ, right? So we have P, just substitute na lang. So PQ over N, which is P 0.4267 and Q is 0.5733. Then divide to 300, then get the square root of your answer, then multiply to 1.960 and you will get 0.056. From the E, we have now the lower limit, which is 0.3707. That is how? Paano nakuha yan? So we have P minus E, right? For the lower limit. And P is 0.4267 as given. Ito yung ating P. This is our P. Minus 0.056 and you will get 0.3707. And for the upper limit, again, I'm sorry for this. This is upper limit. So this is the upper limit. And you will get 0.4827. That is 0.4267 plus 0.056 is 0.4827. And for the interval, we have 37.07% to 48.27%, meaning to say the proportion is greater than 37.07% and but less than 48.27%. So those who said they like to watch movies are greater than 37.07% but less than 48.27%. With that, thank you very much for listening. That's all about solving problems involving confidence interval of a population proportion P. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and click the bell button for more updates. Bye!